Yeah, I finally moved. Yeah, lots of you guys guessed it. I moved to Toronto. Okay, let's explain. Toronto might be a weird choice to some of you guys, but I have two main reasons. Reason number one. Look at this absolute madness. It is October 27th. And look at this. Yeah, October 27th. Now, I've been talking a ton about how I'm gonna move and how I'm moving to a wonderful, amazing new city and how I can't wait. This is actually my last day in Winnipeg, and in a typical Winnipeg way, it decided to give me it is actually legitimately freezing cold outside. I mean, yes, winters suck in this city, I will grant you that, but it is not often that we get a blizzard in October. I mean, look at the sheer amount of snow we are working with. It is like 2 inches of snow in the last hour and a half out of nowhere. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not trying to complain. It is very beautiful and nice, but it's just like, come on, I'm mentally bracing myself to get this in late November, December, not October 27th. Yeah, I'll admit the weather was a huge part of it. I just did not want to spend a whole winter in Winnipeg again because it's terrible. Okay, actually, I take that back. I guess there's actually 3 reasons then. Reason number 2 is just purely enjoyment of my life and content for your guys' enjoyment as well. Winnipeg's a great city. I grew up there, but there's just not a lot to do. Not a lot of people are doing things. Most people sit at home all day, every day. It's not a very exciting or high energy city, and I like exciting high energy cities. Now, sort of tied into that, reason number 3, or reason number 2.5. I'm not moving here permanently. This is probably realistically a few months in Toronto, simply because, I mean, we all know I'd rather be in New York. This is not news to anyone. I absolutely love New York, and just it's too difficult going back and forth anywhere out of New York right now. They've imposed so many travel restrictions. I'd be quarantining 2 weeks there and then 2 weeks anywhere else I went, and it's just a logistical nightmare at this point. So essentially the plan is Toronto is the next best thing that I can get besides New York right now. So I'm going to be here for 4 months maybe, until I can be back in New York. All right, boring explanation of why I moved here aside, if you guys would like to see my brand new condo tour, please hit 3,000 likes and I will happily show it to you guys. Also, we had a very important and exciting sneaker release this morning. Yeah, surprise, surprise. I didn't get them at Footlocker. I never get anything at Footlocker, ever. I entered the raffle at this one and another one and a third one. And without surprise, of course, I didn't get the shoes. On a complete side note, there was like this weird anti-COVID protest going on across the street. It's not even anti-masking, it's anti-COVID, which is a whole nother box to unpack. Anyway, I didn't get the shoes at Footlocker, but I did get a pair online. So yeah, as I was trying to tell everyone, these things were popular and you guys were saying, Tom, there's gonna be 1 million pairs. Tom, they're not gonna resell. Tom, no one's gonna buy them. These are gonna be bricks. Guys, if there's one thing that I know, it is Jordan 1s. I know my Jordan 1s, and they sold out immediately, like super quick, and I was somehow able to get a pair on Foot Locker's website, which I am quite frankly shocked about because I never get stuff online, and usually I don't even try at this point because it's just a waste of my time because I never get anything, except this is a pair of shoes I really wanted to get. Now, I did have a pair for the review, but that's going to be going in a mystery box, so I'm not keeping that one. Well, actually now I might be keeping that one because it's my size and I've already tried it on and now I got a brand new one, so it just makes more sense. Anyway, I was able to get a pair online and I'm excited because all I'm seeing is people striking out and not getting them and getting L's and just not being able to get this pair of sneakers. And I think the price is going to go way up. This is gonna be an $800 shoe. I guarantee you. In a year and a half, this is going to be a $700, $800 shoe. I feel supremely confident in saying that. And you guys are gonna be like, Tom, you're an idiot, don't listen to me. Well, you can come back here in 18 months and look at the price of the shoe. And if I am an idiot, then I give you full permission to call me an idiot because who knows, you know, I might be completely wrong, but I highly doubt it. Now, since I got it online, obviously I don't have it right now, but thankfully we were able to check out a pair and they are nice. All right, here they are. And I mean, I did do a full review of these already that you guys are more than welcome to check out, but now that these are actually released, this is an amazing pair of shoes. Absolutely amazing. And just the lack of, I can't even say lack of hype because these were hard to get, but the lack of hype, because these were really hard to get in 90% of cases, but the relative lack of hype on what I think these should have been, like I think this should be just one of the most sought after shoes of the year. These look absolutely amazing. And on top of that, there's lots of 15-year-olds that want to buy these because it's the same color of brown as the Travis Scotts. I love these things and I cannot wait to start wearing them. They're just gonna match so well with like the winter and fall clothing that I want to be wearing, which I'm super excited to do. And then honestly, this is going to be an investment piece for me for the next 18 months would be my guess. I'm going to be trying to buy 15, 20, 25, 30 pairs of these, just honestly as many as I can get my hands on for decent prices because they're just not going for a ton of money, at least compared to what I think they'll be going for in the future. So if I can get my hands on a bunch of pairs of these and just sit on them for the next year and a half and double my money in a year and a half, I will happily do that because I just think this is going to be a very, very good shoe in terms of price growth, but more importantly, just in terms of how it looks and the aesthetics. This is an absolutely gorgeous pair of shoes, and the leather is really good. Like if you have the yellow ochre Jordan 1s, same leather. If you have the 2016 black toe Jordan 1s, which is actually the same color blocking as these, it's pretty much the exact same leather. So if you're worried about the quality, don't be. And another really cool touch that maybe you can't tell in pictures is that this is not white. This is like a cream or a sail or like an eggshell white. It's very nice. It makes it feel just more toned down and more classy. Like that stark factory white would really just be bam in your face, but this is a little bit more subtle, a little bit more classy, and I like it a lot more. I think it's just going to make it a lot easier to wear with a bunch of stuff. And the nubuck on the back, oh my goodness, can you see that? I'm just swiping my hand across and it's changing color. Really, really soft, fine, nice nubuck. They killed it with the materials on these. And then they also, here we go. They also added the cream laces, which I've seen some people wear and they look amazing. I'm honestly sort of considering switching them out. I think I'm gonna stick with the black ones for now, but oh my goodness, this is an amazing pair of shoes. And yeah, that is the Mocha Jordan 1, or the Dark Mocha Jordan 1. Great pair of shoes. I cannot wait to start wearing them more. Just an absolutely amazing pair of shoes. And if you guys were not able to get them and you really want them, I would recommend buying them this week. Don't wait. Like the price is going to go up. The hype on these, I think, accelerated even further today on release because I didn't see that many people excited about them this week. And then today, all of a sudden, everyone wanted them and everyone was bummed out that they didn't get them. So I think this is going to be a big release over time. Now, Toronto is going to be very exciting and I'm going to be doing a whole bunch of amazing content here. So please make sure to turn on post notifications and follow me on Instagram at Tom Stefaniak. I am tired from the move, I'll be 100% honest. So I'm just gonna take it easy in the condo for the rest of the day, but we're gonna have so many fun things coming at you over the next few months. I cannot wait. And if you guys are still watching at this point in the video, make sure to comment, watch to the end, so I know you're part of the real fam that sticks with the videos every single day and supports what we do on the channel. And for you guys that did watch to the end, I have a very important announcement for you guys. The November mystery boxes, which are on sale right now for $49.99, link in the description, right at the top of the description, tomstefaniak.com/shop. Important announcement. We are having the Jordan 1 High and Jordan 1 Low Dior's in the mystery boxes for $49.99. Obviously 100% authentic. I paid way too much for them. Stupidly expensive. And we're putting them in mystery boxes for $49.99. Link in the description, tomstefanik.com/shop. You can buy as many as you want. Don't miss out. I'm giving you guys a sneak peek just for you guys that watch till the end of the video, so the rest of the people won't know, but they will sell out eventually. Like, they're going to sell out quick, because who wouldn't want to get a pair of Dior's for $49.99? That's literally a life-changing unboxing at that point, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you, and until next time, peace.